Have you ever pondered over the mystery of the cognitive black hole? It's not a term plucked from a sci-fi novel, but a concept that's all too real and incredibly intriguing. The cognitive black hole refers to a phenomenon where information spirals into oblivion or gets distorted. Picture a game of Chinese whispers, where a simple message warps into something unrecognizable by the time it reaches the end of the line. This distortion is often the result of cognitive biases, misinformation, or simply a lack of understanding. It's a voracious void swallowing up knowledge, leaving us with fragmented or flawed information. The cognitive black hole isn't confined to one field. It's a universal menace. It's particularly relevant in areas like law, where precision and clarity are of utmost importance. The cognitive black hole is a lurking specter in the realm of knowledge, threatening the integrity of our understanding. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this concept in the context of LLMs. Now you might be wondering, what is an LLM? Well, let's dive right into it. An LLM, or a Master of Laws, is an advanced law certification. It serves as a stepping stone for those who wish to gain an in-depth understanding of specific areas of law. It goes beyond the general law education that a JD or Juris Doctor provides. Imagine being a doctor who decides to specialize in cardiology after basic medical schooling. Similarly, an LLM allows law students to become specialists in a particular field of law, whether it's intellectual property law, international law, or environmental law. An LLM can provide the specialized knowledge and skills necessary to excel. This degree is a valuable asset for those who wish to expand their career opportunities, deepen their understanding of a particular legal area, or pursue a career in academia or research. Indeed, an LLM is a ticket to specialization in the vast world of law. So, how does the cognitive black hole come into play in the world of LLMs, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. The cognitive black hole, as we know, is the phenomenon where an individual, despite having access to a plethora of information, can still fall into the trap of misinformation, cognitive biases, and information overload. This concept is no stranger to the realm of LLMs, or Master of Laws, where the vast and intricate nature of the legal world can often lead to such pitfalls. Imagine you're an LLM student. You're expected to master a colossal body of law, keep yourself updated with changing legislation, and interpret complex legal theories. It's like trying to navigate through a labyrinth of information, where every turn introduces you to a new concept or case law. Now, couple this with the constant pressure to outperform and the ticking clock of deadlines. It's easy to see how one might succumb to the cognitive black hole. Misinformation is especially dangerous in the legal field. A misinterpreted law or a misunderstood precedent can lead to erroneous legal advice, which can have serious consequences. And let's not forget cognitive biases. These unconscious biases can cloud our judgment and interpretation of laws, leading to skewed legal opinions. Information overload, another facet of the cognitive black hole, can also be a challenge. The sheer volume of legal information that an LLM student has to process can be overwhelming, leading to fatigue, confusion, and in some cases burnout. So, it's clear that the cognitive black hole is a significant challenge in the world of LLMs. But it's not an insurmountable one. With the right strategies and tools, students can learn to navigate this information maze effectively. They can learn to critically evaluate information, be aware of their cognitive biases, and manage their workload to avoid information overload. In essence, the cognitive black hole is not just a metaphorical pitfall, but a real and present challenge for LLM students. It's something they must learn to navigate to succeed. And it's a journey that's not just about acquiring legal knowledge, but also about developing a resilient and adaptable mindset. The cognitive black hole is a real and present challenge for LLM students, something they must learn to navigate to succeed. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started by exploring the enigma of the cognitive black hole, a phenomenon where knowledge is absorbed but not properly understood or utilized. It's like a vortex that sucks in information but fails to produce meaningful insights or actionable knowledge. Then we delved into the world of an LLM, or Master of Laws, known for its rigorous academic nature and the immense breadth of legal knowledge it offers. It's a journey of intellectual growth, but it can also be a slippery slope into the cognitive black hole, if not navigated wisely. We've seen how these two concepts intersect and the potential pitfalls for LLM students. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are strategies to avoid this conundrum. Cultivating critical thinking, engaging in continuous learning, and seeking mentorship can steer us clear of this cognitive abyss. In the pursuit of knowledge, remember, the only way to avoid the cognitive black hole is to keep learning and questioning.